Okay, so what is the condensation process? Like when you take out a chilled can out from a fridge. Okay, so this is the best example for understanding a water condensation process. When a chilled beverage can is out from the refrigerator and kept outside for some times, after few seconds the moisture of an air around the can condensed and deposit on the surface of the can. So this water, it is not coming from inside the can, it is coming from outside air. So outside air which is there, humid air, will be condensed over this can. Okay, the same process is happening for this air conditioning system as well. When a humid air will be in contact with the chilled water coil, then the moisture inside the air will be condensed and becomes water droplets, and this water droplets will be drained out from the building. Okay.